Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ketenaga Kerja ke Sorkar Jylla ubah welat Miki Shila. Ulapen pau baka Sorkar Jylla kelapen kre ya ke plan ke basan senam na ke benta ban penklan yaki lat jing sumar yaki breu ki ba em bat uknyang HIV kam tam hagithan nong gendong. Habakran shigi nong thok kubor ubah welat Miki ulaong bahagapor baladap ke Sorkar kala yo jing ujor baki art center kidang duna kam tam hagithan nong gendong namar kata lingba kan ke plan ke basan senam ke Thong kedong ban Pynbun yaki art center bat ki center ban tes ya uknyang HIV. Nyai kublai ru ya ke kinhun menteri namar bakal menjur ya ke plan bat shan an penong ru ya intensified campaign ban pensngotho pat ba syapang uknyang HIV ulaong. Ula banjur bagajing penbuan ki art bat ki center jing sumar kan om bentoi lada ki brio ki manchakmat ban tes bat ban yo jing sumar.
By Honorable Minister in his speech that there is a certain stigma associated with this, and as a result people are not coming forward, so there is a discontinuation of the treatment. When our at the time of testing certain contact number addresses are given, and later on when we try to follow it up we are not able to contact. So I hope you understand. So if we have to come out of that mentality, and we have to speak about it and make it more liberal, and that's where our Honorable Minister was emphasizing all these aspects of the HIV vaccine.
So, in terms of the reach of the treatment and reaching to the rural areas, how is the state government ensuring that it is there, whatever is needed for people living with HIV?
So that's why, like I already mentioned in my speech, that's why the state government is coming up with this 5 years plan. No doubt in the past, because we got the complaint that because we still have very less ART, especially in the rural areas. So that's why, in order to increase the number of ART centers and all these testing centers, so that's why we are coming up with this 5 years plan. And I'm very thankful to the cabinet that it's already approved. So very soon, this is one of the parts that we are launching with this intensified campaign as well. Because see, if we increase the number of treatment center or ART center, if the people are not coming forward, if they don't come for treatment, then it is no point. So that's why it's equally important that we intensified our this IEC program, and also at the same time, right now I can fully say that we have the fund in hand. Now we can side by side we can increase the number of this testing and also the treatment center.
Is it also lack of doctors that is causing a hindrance for the government?
No, doctor is always there as a whole, as such, but not particularly for HIV. Because for testing of this HIV and then CD4 count and all, we don't need doctors actually. So we have adequate equipments, and like with this 5 year plan, so we can increase the number of manpower also now. So to say that shortage of doctor, it's for HIV, it's not there. But as general, there is a shortage of doctor in our state.
In terms of testing, because you have set up vans and all in every local corner of the state, particularly in Kylleng also. But when you go to rural areas, maybe there's a sort of like they worry about stigma, so they want to do it hidingly. Is there sort of in that way that you look at to maybe allow them to test, or maybe go to their homes or something?
That's why I also discussed with Commissioner as well that in the 5 year plan, and also we are sitting with this community, with these people living with HIV, this group. So this network is there. So we will be sitting with them that to know actually what is stopping them to come forward. So no doubt stigma was one of the issue, and also ultimately it is privacy, the confidentiality. It's but as you all know, it is already in the policy that as a government we cannot share. This is all confidential. But still then, because of this high stigma, still people are discouraging to come forward. So that's why we are intensified this IEC campaign to make sure that the people are fully aware of all these things.
Do you think legislators themselves also can play a huge role in their own constituency by going ahead?
Yeah, definitely. Not only legislator, everyone, like we already mentioned, that everyone has to play their role. because this is like we said, until and unless everyone is accept this the people living with HIV, then this challenges always will be there. So everyone should be like should open up and then should support and should realize that HIV it's not something I mean like when the people are most of the people are getting unintentionally. So most of the cases are like that. So people should realize that. So until unless, like I said, no doubt, like you mentioned, legislator especially, they have a big role to play. But generally, I feel like everyone should come and join.
So, Dr. do you have a rough figure of how many people are at the ART in the state?
In the last assembly, the numbers were given, and I hope you remember that. But you mentioned about the legislators. We already have a legislators forum, and in fact, last year Honorable CM had chaired the meeting also. And very soon he'll be chairing another meeting. Yeah, they're very much part and parcel of our efforts. Yes. Thank you.
This question is just for the health department. Has there been any kind of data that has come to the health department that there are people in Birmingham who suffered respiratory ailments because of the pollution?
As of now, we have not received any written complaint as such, and then any complaint or anything. So that's why, like in the last press briefing, also I already mentioned that until and unless
the matter is with sub judice now, and Honorable Court has taken up the matter. Certain directions have been given to us, and we are complying with that.
Jom kini cabinet kena approve sementara last time cabinet kena approve sementara kadang sak pending bat ke finance bahkan pelik no ya ke session. We already submit everything ke plan Juni everything sementara ngidang up setang ba finance ke pelik ke session ke department.
Taki terms and condition yang kena fight 5 years plans.
And but term and condition definitely to reduce the number of HIV cases in our state.